Now we want to check. We are at the goat's pen. We want to check, guys. This is how we protect them from rain. That is their shadow. This is the door. It's closed. As you can see. We want to check how are they looking. How are they looking? How are they looking? Their salt block is here, also down. How they are looking. Well, let me get a way to go in. Let me get a way to go in so that I show you nice. This is small stock, guys. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribe. Please click the subscribe button. Subscribe button, guys. Consider subscribe. Subscribe. Now let me fix the salt block, guys. Let me fix the salt block, guys. I don't have anybody to give my phone so that I fix something here. Let me put it like this. I am just alone here, guys. I wish you can see. I wish you can see, guys. I wish you can see. They are not. You can see. They are not. We cannot finish this, guys. We just put it on down, but usually when I used to put it here, this is how I used to do it. This is how I used to do it. And then also this one, so they need to be two, so that it cannot fall. Because they need to be two. They mix a bit, but nevertheless, they won't finish it. There they are. Their body is looking. They are being tied. You can see their body. The reason why they are tied is madam, you can see some they are pregnant, some they are pregnant, you can see some they are pregnant. How about you? This one also is pregnant. She's expecting. They are expecting some of them they are expecting. How about you? She's expecting also. She's expecting. How about the gentleman? It's not a gentleman, but you can see this breed, guys. You need to know this breed. This is the breed I need to be here, which need to be here. Nevertheless, she is also expecting. She's also expecting. That is the daughter of that one. That's the mother and daughters. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribe guys, subscribe. Let's reach 1000 subscribers this year, because they are used of salt. That's why you can see she's licking on my clothes. Usually that's what I have for you guys. That's what I have for you. Any comment down below. This is, you see that one is very fat, also expecting. Most of them they're expecting, most of them they are pregnant. Guys, this is the small stock, the one used to breathe the way I showed you. Please subscribe.